You've done everything right, yet your garden yields are disappointing. The problem? Starving soil. Soil isn't just dirt, it's a living ecosystem hungry for real nourishment. I tested 5 old-fashioned ingredients, and the results were vibrant plants and thriving soil. This isn't magic. It's about understanding what our soil truly needs. Let's dig into the forgotten secrets of gardening. First up, wood ash, an old farmer's secret packed with potassium. Potassium strengthens plants, making them resilient to drought and pests. It also jumpstarts soil microbes, the workforce that supports plant health. Use a handful per square meter, scatter before rain, or mix into compost. Bury it shallowly to prevent it from blowing away and to balance soil pH. This simple recycling turns waste into wealth, revitalizing your garden. Remember, balance is key. Wood ash is a natural powerhouse for your soil. Next, molasses, a surprising garden ally. It energizes soil microbes, the unsung heroes decomposing organic matter. A spoonful of unsulfured molasses in water fuels a microbial boom. Within 24 hours, feel the warmth of active soil life. This isn't a temporary boost, it's a way to rebuild soil's biological engine. Molasses creates a self-sustaining cycle of nutrient availability. It's a sweet solution for tired soil. Our third treasure is seaweed, nature's multivitamin. Loaded with over 60 trace minerals, it's crucial for plant health. Seaweed also contains growth hormones that encourage robust growth. Use it as mulch, powder, or brew it into a nutrient-rich tea. Seaweed works in harmony with plants, promoting natural growth cycles. It's almost impossible to overuse, making it a gardener's best friend. Seaweed is the ocean's gift to your garden. Fourth, eggshells, an everyday calcium source. Calcium is vital for strong plant cell walls and preventing blossom end rot. Pulverize eggshells into a fine powder for quick soil absorption. Mix a tablespoon into the soil when transplanting seedlings. This slow-release calcium builds stronger plants over time. Eggshells are a long-term investment in your garden's health. Finally, comfrey, a nutrient-dense powerhouse. Its deep roots mine nutrients, storing them in its leaves. Use comfrey leaves as mulch or brew them into a potent tea. This dynamic accumulator enriches soil fertility naturally. Comfrey is a free backyard solution for nutrient-rich soil. It's a gardening superhero, bringing nutrients to the surface. Comfrey revitalizes your garden from the ground up. Wood ash, molasses, seaweed, eggshells, and comfrey. Simple, powerful ingredients. They transform soil health, reviving the ecosystem beneath our feet. This is a partnership. Feed the soil, and it feeds your plants. Stop fighting your garden. Work with it for vibrant results. Join us at Decoded to uncover more soil secrets. Let's build a better garden from the soil up. Thanks for watching.